Welcome to Medicine Handy Point. Today we are discussing treatment of hair fall. So let's begin. So in a hair fall we have to start finasteride. It is anti-androgen and 1 milligram once a day for 3 to 6 months is recommended. In a female we can give up to 2.5 milligram once a day for 3 to 6 months. It usually takes 3 to 6 months to show its effect. We should use biotin shampoo, which is vitamin B7 daily. It also takes 3 to 6 months to show its effect. Minoxidil spray, 5% spray, should be applied to the hair twice daily for 3 to 6 months. And multivitamins containing especially zinc should be used. It will also take some time to have its effect. I hope you like the video and please subscribe to the channel.